As a leader, I strongly condemn it. I condemn these acts of such where our culture has lost humanity. Why do young people want to earn money so fast? Just gratify a lifestyle that they do not work for.
Most of us to invest in Bitcoin technology.
And the first time she talked to me, he told me, I'm going to marry you. But it's fine. But then he dropped us home and he told us he has to go to Mitaka. That was the last time we saw him.
Tundu ya Katwesero Chihi Town Council ayiranga polisi ye Kanungu yeina omukwato twamusanze n'omwami akampa Mark danga essaawa zino tulindirira abantu abo bati baleetebwa e Kampala wano yongere n'asobola okunoonyereza ku mbeera gye balumiriza nti babadde emabega w'ekikulu.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.